right. හැමෝටම ආයුබෝවන් පුතා. එහෙනම් අපි අදත් grade 10 maths class එකත් එක්ක මුණ ගැහෙනවා. Right, we are meeting grade 10 maths class. So today we are discussing a new lessons binomial expressions. Right, previously හැමෝටම ආයුබෝවන් පුතා. එහෙනම් අපි අදත් grade 10 maths class previously we discussed the lesson fractions. Now you can talk to me if any questions. So today we are moving to the new lesson, right? So once we completed this lesson, you can ask any questions regarding the fractions lessons also, right? So now you can write out the topic binomial expressions. This is the new lesson today. Binomial expressions. Binomial expressions. Right. So now we know what are the algebraic expressions, right? So what are the algebraic expressions? And we know the algebraic terms. So what are the algebraic terms we have? Tell me the examples for algebraic terms. And we have the algebraic expressions. Right. So what is the difference between expression and a term? Tell me. What is the difference between algebraic expressions and a term? And what are the examples for algebraic terms? Can you tell me?
The terms are what only the letter and expressions is a combination of them.
Very good. Right. It is a combination of the several terms, expressions, but algebraic terms like, for an example, 2x is a term and a is a term, right? X is a term, 3y is a term. But algebraic expressions deal with the sum or the difference. It deals with the addition and the minus, the positive, negative signs, and combine the several algebraic terms. Like if we take x plus y is an algebraic expression, and if we take 2x plus 3 is an algebraic expression, right? Then a minus 3 is an expression. So now you can see the expressions, it deals the addition, subtraction signs, the plus or minus signs. But here the terms, right? So in these lessons, we are dealing with these expressions and their multiplications. Okay, right. First, write these examples, algebraic terms, and then algebraic expressions, right? So normally the algebraic terms denoted by the simple English alphabet letters, right? A, B, C, X, Y, Z, but we are normally using simple letters to indicate the algebraic terms. Okay, write down it. Then we will move to the algebraic simplifications. Right. So now that is fine. So these are few examples for the algebraic terms and expressions. Right now we will simplify the algebraic terms and expressions. See there. Now you can write down the topic. Uh, Simplifications of algebraic expressions. Simplification, simplification of algebraic terms and expressions. Terms and expressions. Right. So these are the basic examples, right? Sometimes you may not these things, right? So I will give, right? This is multiplication, 2 into x. So what is the answer? 2 into x, 2x. So normally we write 2x near that. In algebraic simplifications, if we have written in this manner, that means in between that already multiplication sign is there. Okay, so 2x means 2 into x. Right. Then if we multiply x into y, then what's the term build up? Xy. Okay. The second one, negative 3 into positive 2x. Right. So in this type of multiplications, the numerics are multiplied together. So 3 into 2, what is the answer? 3 into 2, 6. Right. Negative positive multiplication, negative. Then x is there, 6x, negative 6x. Okay. Then imagine here we have x into, right, x multiplication, x into x. So that gives you x to the power 2, right? Like x squared, x squared, x into x. So these are very important in dealing with questions. 2x into 3x. Now here the coefficient of x is 2, coefficient of x is 3. Now in such multiplication, we have to multiply these numeric terms separately. 2 into 3 becomes 6. X into x become x squared, always x squared. So that means 2x into 3x means 6x squared. So how to simplify this one? 2x squared. That means that square belongs to both 2 and x, not either only the x or 2. Right. So that square given to 2, then 2 squared. That is expanded 2 square into x squared. Now 2 square means 2 to the power 2. That means 4x squared. So that is 4x squared. Okay, that's the question number 6. Okay, now you can write down these exercise examples, the multiplication, because these are the basic tools that we need to build up these multiplications. Once you finish, you can raise your hand. right? Drabalan, right? See carefully, right? 2 into x, what is the answer? X into y, 3 into 2x, x into x, what is the answer? 3, 2x into 3x, what is the answer? Okay, fine. Okay, right. So that is fine. So now we will check the multiplication such this. Uh, Imagine 2 into x plus 3, right? So what this appear to you, right? So x plus 3 is the term inside the bracket, and outside the bracket we have number 2, right? So in maths, near to the bracket, front to the brackets, the value is there. So what is the operation between these two and x plus 3? That is the multiplication. So that is the multiplication operation. So now you need to multiply by 2 because bracket is there. So the inside all the terms by 2. Okay. Then you multiply 2 into x, 2x, 2 into 3 plus 6. Okay. 2 into x, 2x plus 2 into 3, 6. So that is the answer. Okay. So the second question, 3 into x minus 5. So how to deal with the question? Multiply by 3 inside terms. Two terms there. 3 into x, 3x. Right. 3 into 5, 15. But see the sign. Here positive, here minus. When multiplication positive minus becomes the minus, negative. So the third one, negative 2 into, right, x plus x minus y. See there. Negative 2 into x become negative 2x. See there, negative negative become positive 2 into y, 2y. Then it gives you positive 2y. Okay. So negative 2x, positive 2y. Understood? Right. So the fourth one, right, negative x minus 3. So what does means? Negative means what? In front of that negative one is there. Okay. So imagine that is negative one. So with the negative one, you can remove the bracket. Negative one into x, negative 1x. That means negative x. Negative into negative, positive, positive 3. So the final answer become negative x plus 3, positive 3. Harini? Right. Fifth one, negative 5 into x minus y minus 2. See how the expansion. Negative 5 into x, negative 5x, negative 5 into negative y, negative negative multiplication for c, positive 5 into y, 5y, then negative 5 into negative 2, that means 5 into 2, 10, negative negative multiplications becomes the positive. So negative 5 into negative 2 becomes positive 5 into 2, 10, positive 10. So that's how you deal with that pictures, right? Can complete it. Okay, right. If you finish, you can raise your hand. Okay. Now we will check this type of simplifications. See there. Further, x into x minus 3, first example, then x into x minus 3 plus 3 into x plus 2. Right. How to simplify this type of expressions? See there. X into minus x into x minus 3. Right. Plus minus 2 into x minus 1. Ano po tabalan ng simplifications? Right. So x into x, we discussed that x is squared, right? Yeah, we'll put 2x. X into x squared minus 3 into x becomes 3x. So this is the answer. Okay. Right. These two being simplified. Then see here. X into x squared, x into negative 3, then negative 3x. Right. Then positive 3 into x, positive 3x, right? Positive 3 into 2, positive 6. Now we have the likely terms here. What are the likely terms? Negative 3x, positive 3x. Like x terms are there, x terms are the likely terms. So now how to do the simplification here? So negative 3x, positive 3x, the signs are different. Then you do the subtraction. So 3 subtract 3, 0x, 0x means no x there. So no need to write the x terms. So just you have the x square terms. Here it gives you 0x and here plus 6. So the answer gives you x squared plus 6. Okay, then 2x into x. So what is the answer? 2x multiplied with x gives you 2x into x, x squared. May then multiply when x into x, x squared, 2 is there. Minus 2x into 3. So now multiply the numeric terms. 3 into 2, 6x. Right. Here see there negative 2 into x, that gives you negative 2x. Negative 2 into x, negative 2x. So negative 2 into negative 1, negative negative positive, then 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 1, 2. Now you have the likely term, simplify these together. So 2x squared, and here these are the x terms, negative 6x, negative 2x. If the signs are same, you can add up these two terms. Negative 6, negative 2, they are adding together, gives you negative 8x. And here we have positive 2. Okay. So 2x squared, negative 8x, right, plus 2, positive 2. Okay. Fine. Now you can write these simplifications. Right. So I will write four questions you to do. So you can simplify these, right? First one, y into y plus 3 into y minus 2 minus 3 into x minus 1 m into m minus n minus n into m plus n. So these are the three equations you have to do, right? Start up doing. Once you completed, you can raise your hand. Right, we'll check the answers. Right. So these are not much hard. So you can multiply y into y, then y squared, y into 3, 3y, positive 3y, 3 into y, positive 3y, 3 into 2, negative 6, positive, negative, negative 3 into 6. Now, 3y, 3y being added together as 6y minus 6. This is the answer. Okay. Then x into x, x squared, okay, plus x into 1 plus x. 1x means x. No need to write 1x, x, right. Negative 3 into x, that gives you negative 3x. Negative 3 into negative 1. Negative, negative mean positive. 3 into 1, 3. Okay, now we have x squared. Positive x minus 3x means what? Now the signs are differ, then the subtract. Right, 3 subtract 1, 2, 2x, but gives the sign that is the 3 bigger one, its sign is negative. 2x plus 3. So the answer is x squared minus 2x plus 3. Now the last one. See there, m into m squared, m into n minus mn. Okay, now minus n into m minus nm minus nm. And minus into plus minus n into n squared. Now see that mn and nn are the same terms or different terms? What about your idea? Are they same or different?
Same.
They are
Same.
same. They are same. Why? The reason we know that in mathematics this is a rule 2 into 3 equal 3 into 2. Although they exchange the terms, their values gives the same, right? 2 into 3 equals 6, as well 3 into 2 equals 6. So similarly, A into B equal B into A, X into Y equal Y into X, right? It means AB, BA, they are same terms. XY, YX, they are same. So now you can, uh, now you can add up here, M squared minus mn means minus 2mn minus n squared, right? Okay, any issues, you can note it down. Then I will write this. This is for you, right? Simplify this one. These two questions. 2x into 3x minus 5 minus 3 into 4x plus 5. Right. Simplify these. Right. These two for you. Right. Finish doing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, we'll check the answer. So 2 into x plus 3 minus x minus 1. Now see how to remove the brackets. 2 into x becomes 2x plus 2 into 3, 6. Here minus 1 is there. Minus 1 into x minus x. Right. And here minus minus become plus 1. So now likely terms 2x and minus x you can subtract. 2x subtract x, no. Right. Then 1x there. Then 6 plus 1, 7. So x plus 7. Okay. Right.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can we take 1x plus 7?
Yes, sure. 1x plus 7 because 1 is there. Normally we are not writing. If you write it, no problem. So the fifth one, 2x into 3x minus 5. Right. Minus 3 into 4x plus 5. Now you can remove the brackets. 2x into 3x. 2 into 3 is 6. X into x, x squared. Okay. Then minus 2 into 5, 10x is there. 2 into 5, 10x. Then minus 3 into 4, minus 12, x is there. Then 3 into 5, 15, minus plus, negative, positive, negative. Now you can simplify x terms. This is the likely terms. एक में जाती है. So negative 10x, negative 12x, you can add together like negative 22x. They are similar terms and sign seems you can add up together. In the existing sign is given. And here negative 15. Right. Okay. Now we are moving to the multiplication further. Write down product of two binomial expressions. Product of two binomial expressions. Now the new topic. Topic product of two binomial expressions. Right. I take that binomial expressions, right? X plus 2, that is one expressions, right? Then I take another expressions like x plus 3. So now I have two uh, binomial expressions, and here I need to have the multiplication product. Product means the multiplication. So where the product is there, product is in between that. If we write nearly with the two brackets, then this is the two expressions, and in between that already the product is established. We are not writing product, but product is there. Okay, so now this is the way of doing it. So here we have x, first term x, and here we have plus 2. Here we have x and plus 3. Okay, now that means the whole expressions to be multiplied with the whole second expressions. Okay, so what we can do in simple manner, the first term of the first expression will multiply by the whole expression x plus 3, and then the second term of the first expression is also multiplied by the whole second expression. Okay, make I cut out, right? So now what I write as it is, right? X is taken and x is multiplied with whole expressions x plus 3. Okay. Now the plus 2 expression, plus 2 is taken and it's multiplied with the whole expression x plus 3. Right. Okay. That's our understanding. First term with the whole second expression, The second term is the whole expressions multiplication. Now you can remove the brackets, right? X into x, as we discussed, x squared, x into 3 plus 3x, right? Then plus 2 into x plus 2x, right? Plus 2 into plus 3 plus 6. හරියට මරිමු කරන්න ඕන ඔක්කොම සමහරු plus 2x metal 3 එහෙමමයි. No, cannot do it. We have to multiply all the terms. Now likely terms is there. X term is the likely terms. You can add right together. So x squared, similar signs there. So you can add 3 plus 2, 5x, right? And plus 6 is there. So this is the answer. X squared plus 5x plus 6. Okay, right. Got it? Right. So now the second example, see there, we have x minus 4 into x minus 2. Now see the expansion. So I take the first expression, first term x, and multiply with the x minus 2 with the bracket you have to take. Okay. Then I take the negative 4 and I multiply it by x minus 2. Okay, negative 4 and I multiply it by x minus 2. Now remove the brackets individually. How? X into x. X into x become x squared. Then x into minus 2 minus 2x. Okay, then minus 4 into x minus 4x. Right, be careful. Minus into minus plus 4 into 2, 8. Okay, now I can deal with that one. X squared here minus 2x minus 4x. Right. So now you can add these because the same signs they are adding together. Minus 2x minus 4x means minus 6x, right, and plus 8. So this is the expansion. Okay, right. Can write it down, the two examples. Then I will show you the easiest way. We can take directly by this method into this method, skipping this method, this step, right? No level maths, grade level, we are dealing with that method, and when we are dealing with A level mathematics, we can directly take this answer, right? By looking into the expressions. අපිට එකපාර expression එක බලලත් උත්තරයට යන්න පුළුවන්. ඒක මම නිකන් කියලා දෙන්නම්. Right. So this is the third question for you to do. Right, two questions there. x minus 5, x plus 4, right? That is the first multiplication, third one. And here, fourth one, x plus 3, x minus 2. Now see it. Okay, now x, so first term x is multiplied with the second expression x plus 4, and here minus 5 multiply with x plus 4. Now remove the bracket, x into x become x squared, x into 4, 4x, right? Minus 5 into x minus 5x, minus 5 into 4, minus 20. Now check here, x squared plus 4x minus 5x. මොකද වෙන්නේ? Right. The signs are differ. Signs වෙනස් පුතා. එහෙනම් subtract වෙන්නේ. Right. Positive, negative add වෙන්න ගියොත් subtract වෙන්නේ. So 5 subtract 4 gives you 1x, but 1x means which sign you offer large value is 5, its sign is minus. So minus x. Minus 1x, but you can write minus x. Then minus 20 is there. Okay? Right. So x squared minus x minus 20. So that is the question. Okay? Hands up those who got the answer. දැන් මේ වගේ එක සයින් එකක් වැරදුනාත් මුළු එක්ස්ප්‍රෙෂන් එකම වැරදි. right. හරිනේ? ඒ නිසා හැම සයින් එකක්ම මේ විදිහට තියෙන්න ඕනේ. හැම වැලියු එකක්ම මේ විදිහට තියෙන්න ඕනේ. right. Okay, now we are moving to the last question. X plus 3 into x minus 2. So we multiply by x minus 2. Right? Then plus 3 multiplied by x minus 2. Right. X multiply with x minus 2 as well as plus 3 minus 3 multiply with x minus 2. Now see. X into x, what is the answer? X squared minus 2 into x minus 2x plus 3 into x plus 3x minus 3 into 2 minus 6. Now what are the likely terms? Minus 2x plus 3x likely. Now you can add. So 3 positive 3 negative 2, they are subtracting. 3 subtract to 1x. 1x mean x minus 6. So x squared plus x minus 6. Okay? Right. Hands up those who got the answer. So now I can prove that with this concept, I can prove this binomial expansion, right? This result is okay with this example. See this example, eh? Right. So this is a rectangle. So length is x plus 5. So x plus 5 mean I take this length is x mean. And here I have 5 length, unit 5. So here x unit, this length, and this is 5 units. Okay. Then totally the length of this ABCD rectangle is x plus 5. You know that this part x and this part 5. And here also I mark here breadth is x, this part x. Right. And this unit is 2 units. Okay. Now I can segregate here x and x here. And here x part. And here 2 parts. Here 5 and here x part is there. And here 5. Here 2 part is there. So totally, what is the length is of the rectangle x plus 5, and the breadth is x plus 2. I write near here x plus 2 is the total breadth, and total width is x plus 5. So how the ABCD area is given? See there how the ABCD rectangle area is given. So I can write ABCD area. ABCD area is the rectangle area that gives you by the length into breadth. So what is the length? Totally AB length is x plus 5, right? And what is the breadth? Breadth is x plus 2. So that is the area of the ABCD rectangle. Further, I can take the area of ABCD by adding these four pieces together. The area of these four pieces, the sum of the area of four pieces gives you the ABCD area even, right? So I now write this part as 1 and this part 2 and this part 3 and this part 4. Right.
So do we have to draw that?
Wait until I explain it.
Okay.
Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how to find the one? This is a rectangle, a small rectangle, right? Length is x and breadth is x. So how to find the area? X into x. Length x, breadth x. So x into x gives you x squared. So area of this one rectangle is x squared. See there. Area of this second rectangle, here length is 5, breadth is this part, breadth is x. So here also x. So 5 into x. So the area is 5 into x. That gives you 5x. Okay. The area of second. The area of third, see there, this part x and this part 2. Already mathematics. Now, here also x, here 2. Then x into 2, that gives you 2x. And here, length is 5 and breadth is 2. So, 5 into 2, that gives you 10. Okay, fine. Now, we know that the small parts area individually. So when we add these four parts, also shall give the area of the ABCD. So in another way, I write the ABCD area, see there, as the sum of these four pieces. හරිනේ මේ හතර එකතු කරපුවාම rectangle එක තමයි හැදෙන්නේ. So here the sum is area is x squared plus here 5x plus here 2x plus 10. Okay, now I can add up the likely terms 5x and 2x. So x squared plus 7x plus 10. Now the same component, same plane figure is taken into our two methods, this and this. Then that means right x plus 5 into x plus 2 shall equal to the x squared plus 7x plus 10. Right. This is how you prove it. We didn't multiply anything, right? So now you can expand in your methods that we discussed previously. X into x, x squared, x into 2, 2x, 5x, 10. So that gives you the same answer. This is how we prove the expansions given in this manner. හරිනේ මේක ඇඳ ගන්න මොකද මේක එක්සෑම් වල සමහර අවුරුදු වල මේ වගේ questions ඇවිල්ලා තියෙනවා. Right. Using that expansion build up this is equal this. Right. Everyone draw this one nicely and write it down all the things in the board. If any doubts, you are free to ask. Okay. Finish writing, Putta. Right, you can raise your hand once you completed it. Right, okay. Right, okay. I think that is done. Fine. So understand the concept behind that. මේක තියෙන පුතා concept එක. පැහැදිලි කොහොමද ඒක ආවේ කියන එක තමයි ඒකෙන් පේන්නේ. Right. How this product being generated. Right. You can I further have an idea how it build up. Right. Now we will do bit advanced multiplications like dealing with negative and positives. Right. So I will give two questions regarding that. 3x minus 4y into 4x plus 3y. First one, you can write it down. The second one, with the fractional coefficient, like half x plus y into, right, 2x plus y. 2x plus, yes, y. Right. See how the questions is taken. Right. This is how the simplification see there. Right. 3x is taken and I multiply it by 4x plus 3y. Right. Then secondly, minus 4y is taken and I multiply it by 4x plus 3y. Now I see there 3 into 4 digits multiply කරන්න 3 into 4 12 x into x squared. The කල්පනාවේ යන්න තරගන්න එපා එකක්වත්. Then 3 into 3 9, right? X into y xy 9xy. Okay. Then minus 4 into 4 minus 16 y into x yx. Okay. Then minus into plus minus 4 into 3 12 y into y squared 12y squared. Okay, now you can say that 12x squared plus 9xy minus 16yx. So I mentioned you that xy, yx, they are same. So now like imagine this is also xy. Now 9xy, 16xy, but they are positive, negative, dealing, then they are not adding, they are subtracting. So 16 subtract 9. Look, you can direct subtract karan. 16 subtract 9, 7 xy. Right now, offer the larger value signs here. 16 is the in magnitudely the higher value. Right, that is negative. Then put the negative 7xy. And the last term keep as it is minus 12y squared. These are bit hard pictures. Right. See this multiplication. So half into half x is taken and multiply with 2x plus y. And here plus y is taken and 2x plus y. Remove the bracket, half x into 2x. When we have half x into 2x, then 2 cancelled, right? Plus half x into y. Okay, then y into 2x means 2xy plus y into y squared. Now x into x squared plus here xy upon 2, right? Plus here 2xy plus y squared. Then put up here xy terms they are they are similar terms. So you have to add these two. How? This is a fractional coefficient for xy terms. So I make a denominator here. We have already denominator 1. So how I simplify this one? Make the same denominator. 1 is there. So you multiply by 2 both sides. 1 into 2, 2. Right. Then x squared plus xy upon 2 plus here 2 into 2, 4xy upon 2 plus y squared. Now the denominator seems 2. So x squared plus 2 is the denominator. Now you can add up these two. 4xy plus xy means 5xy plus y squared. So what we did here, we just simplify the sum of these two terms by making a common denominator. ඒක ඉතර හිතන්න එපා. අනිත් එක තමයි පුතා මේ එක්ස්පැන්ෂන් එකකින් ලොකු ගණන් එන්නේ නැහැ. හැබැයි මේ knowledge එක අපිට ගණන් හදන්න algebra කියන session එකේදී අපිට important වෙනවා in equation, in quadratic equations, in simplifications, all the things we are using these simplifications. But directly we are not getting like simplify these expressions. But in short questions in paper 1, we may have this type of simple multiplications and the knowledge using equations. Katakan balan. right. එහෙනම් ඔන්න අපි මම අර කිව්වේ කෙටි ක්‍රමයක් කියලා දෙනවා කියලා එකක් බලා ගන්නකො. මේක කෙටිමත් නෑ. ඉතින් මේක ස්ටෙප් එකක් අතෑරෙනවා එක ක්‍රමයකදී. අනිත් ක්‍රමයේ ටිකක් උඩට ගියපුවාම මැත්ස් වල බලා ගන්න පුළුවන්. ඔන්න first එක x plus 3 into x plus 2 right. ඔන්න කෙටි ක්‍රමය. අපිට අරකෙදිම මේ x අරගෙන we multiply with x plus 2. ඒ වගේම 3 අරගෙන x plus 2 නේ. අපිට පුළුවන් මේ x ඒකම තමයි මෙතන වෙන්නේ. right. මෙහෙම අපි multiply කරන්නේ x into x. හරි ඊළඟට x into 2. මෙතනම තියාගෙන multiply කරනවා. අර එක step එක clear නැතුව. then 3 into x then 3 into 2. ඔන්න හතර multiply වෙනවා. then x into x then x into 2 මේ x ගෙන් මේ දෙන්නම ඉවර කර ගන්නවා then 3 and we multiply by fourth terms then කියන්න බලන්න answer එක x into x x squared plus x into 2 2x plus 3 into x 3x plus 3 into 2 6 then මේ likely terms දෙක add කරනවා x squared plus 5x plus 6 that's the answer just we do not write that step x into x plus 2 plus 3 into x plus 2. That's only the difference. But the similar concept is there. Okay, Tadali? Right. Then if we have like this, x minus 5 into x plus 4, same things, right? X square, x4, 4x minus 5x minus 20 in that manner. Okay, fine. So now we will deal the important part of this lesson is taking the expansion of a perfect square. Right, write down the squares of binomial expressions. Squares of binomial expressions. So this is the new topic. Squares of binomial expressions. Right. So now see the topic understanding squares of what binomial expressions. So I write expressions, binomial expression is this one, square of it. So square of it means this is the understanding. Okay, squares of the binomial expressions. So as per the index law, you know that x plus 2 square means the similar terms multiplication. X plus 2 into x plus 2. Right. X plus 2 into x plus 2. එහෙනම් කොහොමද මේක expand කරන්නේ? දැන් අපි දන්නවා. So x into x squared. අපි දන්න x into x. How to find the answer? X squared. X into 2. මම අර කෙටි කරමින් ගන්නේ 2x. 2 into x, 2x. Then 2 into 2, 4. Then I can write x squared plus 2x, 2x, 4x plus 4. So this is the expansion of x plus 2 squared. Then I take x plus 3 squared. Then see the answer. X plus 3 into x plus 3. Then I can simplify x into x, x squared. X into 3, 3x. Plus 3 into x, 3x. Plus 3 into 3, 9. And I can write x squared plus 6x plus 9. So that is x plus 3 squared. Okay. So now by looking into that, we have observed a certain method of getting the square directly. Getting the square directly. Okay. Now what happened? See there carefully. X plus 2 square. Now you can see comparing. This is the x plus 2 squared answer. And here x plus 3 squared answer. So the first term x, so it becomes x square, right? Then the second terms here, the product is 2 into x. May then multiply करपो the 2x, but here 4x is there. When we multiply 3 into x, 3x, but here 6x is there. And now you feel that the middle term, x term is taken, the product of these two terms into 2, twice of the product. Mediki gunite de guneya, product ke de guneya. So 2x is 2x and twice is 4x. That's why. And 2 square is the last term, that is 4. Here, see there, compare there. First term is square, x squared, plus plus, then product, take the product, 3 into x, 3x, take a degunia, 6x, right? Plus the last term is square. What is the last term? The second term is 3, that's the square means 9, 3 square. Okay, so that's how the equations deals. So now I can write the generally, right, x plus y squared. How to take the sum? First term is square. First term is square. This is the general format. Plus first term here x, then x squared plus the product mediki gunite ganno x into y product gide gune twice. So the 2 into product of the terms, 2 into product of two terms, right, plus the second term is square, right, plus the second term is square. Second term is the y here, y squared. Okay, so that is general expansion knowledge. So if it is negative there, so here it becomes negative. So I can write here maybe minus. Then the middle term is the variable. Others kept are kept constant, right? Like first term positive square taken because that is why it becomes positive. Last term also positive. Middle term only varied when it is negative here. It becomes negative, positive, positive. Okay, write down this one. Just exercise करा दो පැහැදිලි no. Right. Write down this example. So remember, how do I get binomial expansion? If we have two terms, first term is square plus or minus, then if it is plus plus, then 2 into product of the terms plus the second term is square. Finish doing. Right. Finish doing. Hands up those who finish. Right. Right. So now understand මම අහන එක එක්කෙනාගෙන් කොහොමද මේක ගන්නෙ මම එක examples කීපයක් පැහැදිලි කරනවා. Right. So this is the concept. Okay, now I have imagine x plus 4 squared. හැමෝම බලන්න. Right. Identify the two terms x and plus 4. So what is the concept? First term is square. First term is x. Take the x squared. Okay. Plus. Make a plus now. Plus. Within the multiply කරන්න 4 into x 4x ඒකේ twice එක 4x ගේ twice එක කියන්නේ 8x right plus 4 ගේ squared second ගේ squared 4 squared means 16 හතරේ square එක. So that is the concept. So three terms are there. Understood? Okay. Second one x minus 2 squared. Tell everyone. So the first term is square. First term is x. Then x is squared. Then here negative there. So negative, right? 2 into x, 2x. एक देगुने 4x. Right? Plus. The second term is square. 2 is squared. Mean 2 into 2, 4. Okay. Third one. Here we have, right? X minus 1 squared. Tell me everyone. X squared. Then if it is minus minus 1 into x, 1x, ek dekone twice, 2x. Right? Plus second term squared, 1 squared is 1. Okay? Right. Fourth one, this is bit different. 2x minus 3 squared. Then one balanna. First term is 2x and the second term is 3. So first term square means 2x give me square. So the 2 also to be squared. 2 squared means 4 x squared x squared. That's how you take the first term. Not 2x squared only. 4x squared. First term make a 2x x square mean my lian. Right. Emily 2x into 2x then 4x squared. Are 2 square and it's 2 square. Then negative there. So negative, now see the multiplications. 3 into 2x, 3 into 2, 6x, ek degune 12x. Right. Plus second term is last term, negative 3, 3 squared, 9. Fifth one, here 5x plus 2, 5x plus 3 squared. Yes.
Sir, when we multiply uh, they are minus 12x, 3 multiply minus 3 multiply by plus 2x, it's
Minus 6x. It's
minus 6x. Then shouldn't we multiply it by, when we multiply it by the square, isn't it x square?
I didn't get your question.
So when we multiply 2x by isn't it minus 12x square?
Yes, here minus 2lx.
No, square because we multiply it by the same.
Now, which term you are saying out of these three?
Minus 3 multiply by plus 2x multiply by the same, right, sir?
Minus 3 multiply with 2x into 2. That's how you middle term taken. Okay. එහෙම හිතන්න නැත්නම් මෙතන minus නම් minus my 3 into 2 is 2x 6x ඒකේ twice 6x ගේ twice එක 12x. Then the second term is square 3 squared 9. ඔයා මෙහෙම හිතුවත් minus 3 squared also plus 9. Minus 3 squared also plus 9, positive 9. So although it is negative positive here, it doesn't affect to these two terms, last, first and last, because the square is taken. Then any negative value square is positive. Okay, see here. First term is 5x. Take the 5x squared. How the answer? 5 squared 25, x squared, x squared. Okay, then plus there, plus product. 3 into 5 multiplied on 3 into 5, 15. 15 get twice, 30. 30 and xy product, xy. 3y into 5x becomes 15xy. Take it twice, take a 30xy. Right. Plus this last term is square, 3y square, 3 squared 9, y squared, y squared. Okay? එලියාගන්න. මෙන්න concept එක. අවසාන එකත් බලා ගන්න. මෙතන තියෙනවා flower එකක්. Flower plus මෙතන තියෙනවා tree එකක්. Tree. Tell me what is the answer for this one? If you gather the knowledge correctly. First term flower, the second term tree. So as per the condition, first term is square, flower is square, right? Plus 2 into the flower into tree. So 2 into flower into tree, right? 2 into flower into tree plus the second term is tree squared. Tree squared. So that is the concept. Write down. පැහැදිලිද? Right, finish doing. You can raise your hand. Right. Right. එහෙනම් මම ගණන් තුනක් දෙනවා බලන්න හදමු. Right. First one, ටිකක් අමාරු ඒවා තුනක් හදමු. Right. 3x minus 1 squared. The second one, right. 3p plus 4q squared. Third one, 3x minus 4 squared. Fourth one, a fractional half x plus y upon 3 squared. X upon 2 plus y upon 3 squared. බලන්න try කරමු අපි concept එක අඳුරගත්තා නම් ඒක හදන්න පුළුවන්. Finished writing? Virayathu-san, hands up. See, there are 3x minus 1 squared. How to take? First term is squared. That means 3x squared. How to take? 3 squared means 9x squared. Okay. Then minus 1 into 3 minus 3 into 2 means minus 6x. Here minus minus 1 into 3 get twice 6x. Plus last term is squared. 1 squared is 1. Okay. So the answer is 9x squared minus 6x plus 1. Make it up, Yamu. 3p plus 4q is squared. Right. So the first term is 3p. 3p is squared. Done. Look the answer. 3 squared means 9. P squared means p squared. 9p squared. Plus there. So plus. May they give product. 4 into 3, 12. 12 ki dekune 24. 24 pq. pq multiplication. Plus the last term is squared 4q. 4q is squared. 4 is squared 16. Q is squared q is squared. So that gives you 16 q squared. Okay. So the next question 3x minus 4 squared කොහොමද අපි එක ගන්නෙ 3x first term that's squared means 3 squared means 9 x squared means x squared. So 3 squared 9x squared. Right here minus is there. Then minus take the product and twice of it. Product is 4 into 3 12x. 12x the product take 24x. 4 into 3 12x. 12x की देखो 24x plus. So here plus the last term is squared 4 squared. 4 squared is 16. And sub those who got the answer 9x squared minus 24x plus 16. Okay. Now the last term. See the last term, huh? x upon 2 plus y upon 3 total squared. Okay. So first term is x upon 2. The second term is y upon 3. So how to find the value here? First term is square. I write x upon 2. Write is square. Okay. First term is square. So if it is plus plus 2 into product of the terms, 2 into product of the term, product means x upon 2 into y upon 3. So that's the product of the terms. 2 into x upon 2 into y upon 3. So the first term x upon 2, the second y upon 3. Then product twice 2. Plus the second term is square. Second term is y upon 3. That's the square. Keep the bracket and take the square. Understood? First term x upon 2, then y upon 3. First term is square mean x upon 2 is squared. Plus there 2 into product. 2 into product mean x upon 2 into y upon 3. That is fine. Plus the second term is square. Second terms mean y upon 3 is squared. Okay. Now the first term square means here x is squared upon 2 squared means 4 plus here 2 and 2 simplified. Okay. And x into y, xy upon 3 plus here squared means first term y squared upon 3 squared means 9. Oh my, train. Kita hard එක හදාගන්න අඩුපාඩු තියෙන අය. Right. Are you okay with that? Okay. Right. So we have some few simplifications. Right. So next day I will conclude that simplification. Right. Very few simplifications, some hard questions. Only 1, 2 questions and practical applications of this expansion. Right. Then after I can move to the next lesson. So as the next lesson, I start normally the area lessons, although it's triangle in the textbook. I start the area because then once I complete the area with perimeter already done, then 10 mark questions in the all level paper also complete. Right. Okay. So next day I start with the area question. That is very important. And
Sir,
yes,
sir, sending homework based on this, right?
yes. So I will send few questions to do the binomial expansion. Then you can deal it. Okay. Keep in touch with groups. Okay. Right. So today I conclude the session. So we will meet by next Tuesday at the same time. Okay, Uta. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Good night, sir.